Pick your nose with that. Today, we are taste testing different kinds of ketchup.
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 I have a confession. I'm not a huge fan of ketchup, so this is gonna be interesting.
I think it will be, yes.
My favorite ketchup is the ketchup you like use the pump.
Ew, that's probably the worst kind.
There's probably a ton of bacteria in those tubes, but that's what I like about that ketchup. It's added flavor. If it doesn't kill you, it tastes delicious.
All right, ketchup numero uno.
Number one.
Number one.
Okay.
See, you really don't like ketchup, because me, when I try ketchup, it's like dunk.
Okay. All right.
Like I want a little bit of French fry with my ketchup.
Classic ketchup. That tastes really good.
Ketchup alone just does not taste wonderful to me. This tastes like it has added sugar in it.
Mm-hmm. It is really sweet, this one.
It's not bad. That's good. I think most ketchup is pretty much good.
Tastes like ketchup.
Definitely not organic and definitely has added sugar. You don't really get a tomato taste.
Ooh, flying in, coming in hot.
All right, number two. All right, get a good coating here.
Ooh.
I like this ketchup.
This has some more depth
It
to
has
it, and it's a
some
little
flavor.
like a little spice, maybe.
So much different than that one.
Not as sweet, that for sure.
I definitely like this one.
I like this one too.
Watch, this is like the worst one.
It works.
I like that.
How many tomatoes do you think are actually used in making ketchup?
Crush and like steam and crush them, like take the skin off, and then it's a whole lot of like brown sugar or like sugar
I shouldn't
and
have
like.
asked this question.
All right, this looks more like a barbecue sauce.
Well,
Oh
this
gosh,
one's
that's
dark.
barbecue sauce. That is not ketchup.
We haven't been smelling them. I don't know why I just got so grossed out.
This is the organic one. This is like ragu. If you like ragu,
It's real sour,
The
like tangy.
texture is so weird.
It tastes like sweet and sour sauce. It doesn't taste like ketchup.
The aftertaste is like ridiculously sweet.
it might be French's because it's so bad. French's mustard is where it's at. Heinz ketchup's where it's at. You flip any of these things around, it doesn't work. Whoop. Oh god.
That could have been a mess.
Oh gosh, that's got
Like
some
really bright red.
yellow dye number 5 in there for sure. Oh, it's so thin.
I'm gonna guess this
Whoa.
is no sugar added, which is just code for extra chemical.
All right, let's do
It
this.
almost looks like someone took Frank's Red Hot and ketchup and like fused it.
Ooh, that would be good.
You know what this tastes like? This must be the no sugar added.
It tastes more like tomatoes.
It tastes like you get canned tomato sauce with like a little salt in it. That's all it tastes like.
Very sour.
I don't like it.
Who knew that ketchups tasted different?
I mean, I just never
guess
really
I
spent a lot of my time thinking about it.
Yeah, that last one was not that good.
Yeah, no.
Very like
Tart.
very sour.
I know this texture and consistency from anywhere. This is the OG.
No.
Taste that one.
Uh-oh, I'm scared.
Tastes like ketchup.
It's the right consistency and texture, but I think it's organic Heinz.
It smells like it has cinnamon in it or something.
No, it smells like nutmeg and cinnamon in there. It's like pumpkin spice ketchup.
It's like fake sweet. It tastes like chemicals.
Yeah, tastes like an artificial sweetness to it, so I'm not a huge fan of it.
I don't know if it's good. I don't know if it's bad, but this one's bad.
Whatever seasonings they used in this one are like.
It's literally got like cinnamon in it. Who wants cinnamon with tomatoes?
Let's get that out of here. Okay, so
Is this it? No.
I don't know.
This is wrong.
It looks thinner too.
Yeah.
This one's kind of got that brown color too. It looks really thick.
I like this one.
I think it's Heinz organic.
Oh. That's why I don't like ketchup.
I think this is just regular Heinz, cause like the minute I tasted this, I'm like, this is what ketchup
Regular
tastes
ketchup.
like.
What
Cause
is-
it's not salty, it's not sweet. It's just like got a good balance of everything.
Yeah.
It looks like ketchup, feels like ketchup, but
It's not ketchup.
this just has like no taste. This could be the no sugar one. Phony no sugar ketchup. I want that sugar. Give me the beaties.
Yeah, this is classic ketchup. I think this is a winner. I'm just gonna keep this for myself.
I don't know, man. These are all These are the imposters. I don't know which is which anymore.
This one's a little bit more liquidy.
And it's brighter. I feel like it's one of the brighter reds.
Oh, it smells very tomatoey.
French fry. Don't fail me.
Oh yeah, this one has super tang. Real
Oh,
tangy.
it has a weird aftertaste.
It's like sweet on the way in, sweet and then sour, like Sour Patch Kids.
It has like a meat aftertaste.
Maybe there's like beef collagen in here or something.
They all kind of blend together though.
After a while, yeah.
Yeah, it's like slightly, some are a little sweeter, some are a little more vinegar.
To me, it just tastes like ketchup.
Yeah.
It's having your lunch right now.
Mm-hmm.
Last one.
Thank goodness. This also looks like barbecue sauce.
Oh. It doesn't smell good. Smell it.
This is a
So
this is a 2018 vintage.
Oh my god, that's disgusting. Wow. That is sour.
Oh god, no. Oh my god, no.
I'm wondering what the line between barbecue sauce and ketchup is, because this one is another one that like just has too much going on
foul
to be.
taste after it. It tastes like it's expired. Like it went
That's
bad.
the vintage.
It's the vintage. It went bad.
The thing is, it has like this really like strong sourness to it that it's just lingering on my tongue right now.
Where's number one? Where's that sugar?
Wipe my fork off
2.
of that nasty number 8.
5 bad. 3 bad. These weren't bad. They were
Fine.
just blah.
If you need to get like a cheap brand or you don't care, those are okay.
And the
for
winners, 6 and 2,
burgers.
and I'm gonna lean towards 2.
Me
6
too.
is my classic ketchup.
I think 2 and 6 for me. I'm not crazy about the barbecue sauce on this.
I gotta go with 2 and 6 as
Yep,
well.
I agree.
Here we go.
Alright, so number 1.
Oh, here's 7.
So we had that in the mediocre.
4.
Also mediocre.
Number 7, okay. Number 8 is Heinz Vintage.
Ah, no.
That's probably the worst one.
That was one of these.
Organic.
Organic!
Okay, we can taste the quality. Elevated palates over here. 8, awful.
Called it. Number 6, Heinz OG, or is that OG or organic?
Organic.
Okay, I like.
Wait, do we have these lined up right? 2. Where did 2 go?
No, 3. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh, I got those wrong. I thought that was that one. Oh, classic ketchup. But I think I said those wrong. This is what I thought the classic ketchup was. This is the other one I liked. Holy moly! So it was the
It was
2
both
Hunts.
Heinz.
And number 2, Heinz.
OG Heinz.
It's the best. Heinz is the best ketchup. Ketchup is Heinz. They're the same.
I can't believe Annie's was one of the worst.
This one tastes like barbecue sauce. It did not taste like ketchup.
Funny that we were talking about testing organic versus not, and if they taste different, they definitely do.
I mean, these are good choices too. These weren't bad. I just, some of them were like tangier garbage.
Oh, man.
Don't get those.
I think if you are not into the sugar, you should go with Heinz, like low sugar. I think that's a nice.
No.
No. Well, the fries are cold.
The organic label says no GMOs, no high fructose corn syrup.
Yep.
Which means this has GMOs and has high fructose corn syrup.
Well, that's fine. Get the organic if you're concerned.
No, I'm going to take this back to my desk. Oh, yeah, hold on. Give me a second. I'll take that with me.
We should get a gif of me just squirting the ketchup into your mouth.
Absolutely. I don't like it.